Record. Okay.
All right. Hi, everyone. Today, we're going to go over a derivative problem. Amir is going to help us to show us how to solve it. And before we start solving the problem, I'm going to read the objective of this video. By watching this video, you will learn the following in differentiation: the power rule and the product rule. So Amir, the problem is this: you're going to find the derivative of the g of x, which is x cubed times sine of x plus cosine of x. And then you're going to use the answer of part A to solve part B, which is finding the derivative of f of x equals to g of x times tangent of x. So the floor is yours.
Yes. Hello, saying hello, everybody. Thanks for the time. Sure, I solved this problem, and we hope that everybody finds this video useful. So the first one, g of x, in this problem we have two terms. The second term is simple. The first one we have the power rule with a trigonometric function which is sine of x. So for the power rule, we have this. Let me just use thinner one. If we consider d of x as a, x to the power of n is any real number. So it's going to be a.
And A is
n.
constant, right?
Yes. A is also constant. So that's the power rule. So for the first problem, we have.
Can you also write down the product rule?
The product rule? Sure.
Yeah.
So the product rule is if we have two function f of x times g of x, the differentiation is going to be f prime times g plus f times g prime. I use prime notation for this one.
Okay. Both of these functions are the variable is x, the function of x.
Correct. These are all in terms of x, like f
Right.
is equal f of x. So yeah, for the g of x, the derivative of g of x is in question. So for the first term, we have, okay, let me write like this. G of g prime of x is sine of x plus cosine of x. We want to have a derivative of the whole function. So the summation of two functions, the derivative of the summation of two functions is the actually derivative of each of those terms. So this one and this one.
Right.
So it's going to be derivative of sine of x plus derivative of cosine of x.
That's correct. Awesome.
And so this one is a combination of product rule and power rule we have here on the side. So it's going to be the derivative of x cubed, which is 3x 2 times the second one, which is sine of x, as you can see here, plus x cubed, the derivative of sine of x, which is cosine of x.
Right.
So this one, that's for the first term. And the second term is plus derivative of cosine of x is minus sine of x.
Right.
So it's going to be minus sine of x. I believe this is the derivative of the whole function of g of x.
Right.
So as simple as this one.
Okay. Yeah, I think you can go one more step to simplify it a little bit more. So maybe you
Sure.
have two terms with sine of x, you can factor them out.
Yes. So I consider this one and this one.
Right.
Plus x cubed cosine of x.
Okay, great.
I can write like that. So
okay,
yeah, this is
let's do the
answer.
second one. So you're gonna use this answer to solve part B of the question.
Correct.
So part B is g of x times tangent of x. You're gonna find the derivative of this function.
That's correct. So part B, f prime of x is equal to, so I use again the product rule here. So it's going
Right.
to be g prime times tangent of x plus g times derivative of tangent of x in prime notation. So
this is based on the product rule.
Yes, that's correct. This is based on this product rule here. So g prime, for the g prime, we already have this one.
Right.
So I can simply write, let me just go over here. 3x squared minus 1 sine of x plus x cubed cosine of x, the whole thing times tangent of x plus on the next line g of x. G of x is actually this guy,
right,
plus
x cubed
sine of x,
right,
plus cosine of x times
right,
the derivative of tangent of x, which is actually 1 over cosine squared of x.
or secant squared.
Yes, this can also be seen as secant of x squared.
Okay, awesome.
So
thanks, Samir.
Yeah, we can actually simplify the terms, but for the sake of this video, I think that's enough.
Yeah, all right. Thank you so much, and I hope viewers find this video helpful. And for future videos, if you want to get notified about future videos, hit the notification bell, and also, if you haven't already, subscribe to your channel so you can come back and learn more about Calculus topics. Thank you, everybody, and bye.
Thank you. Bye.